Nan Hua Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Nan Hua Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Section A. Question 1. 5,330 in numerals is missing number. $5,330 in numerals is 5,330. The answer is 4. Question 2. What is the number shown below? Multiply 7 by 1,000, and the product is 7,000. Multiply 8 by 10, and the product is 80. Multiply 6 by 1, and the product is 6. The number will be, add 7,000 to 80, to 6, and the sum is 7,086. The answer is 3. Question 3. 905 cents is equal to missing number. What is the missing number in the blank? $100 is equal to $1. 905 cents is equal to $9.05. The answer is 4. Question 4. In which one of the following numbers does the digit 7 have the greatest value? The higher the place value, the greater will be the number. The digit 7 have the greatest value in the number 7,043. The answer is 3. Question 5. 8,039 is equal to missing number plus 30 plus 9. $8,039 is equal to 8,000 plus 30 plus 9. The answer is 4. Question 6. What is the cost of 6 10-cent stamps and 3 50-cent stamps? The cost of 6 10-cent stamps will be multiply 6 by 10 cents, and the product is 60 cents. The cost of 3 50-cent stamps will be multiply 3 by 50 cents, and the product is $1.50. The total cost 6 10-cent stamps and 3 50-cent stamps will be add 60 cents to $1.50, and the sum is $2.10. The answer is 2. Question 7. Which one of the following would most likely be the length of a bed? "20 meters is approximately the height of a 4 stories building. 2 centimeters, and 20 centimeters is less than the length of an A4 paper. The most likely be the length of a bed will be 2 meters. The answer is 2. Question 8. 7 groups of 6 is the same as missing number. 7 groups of 6 is the same as multiply 7 by 6. The answer is 2. Question 9. I'm thinking of a number. When I divide the number by 5, its quotient is 43, and its remainder is 3. What is the number? The product of 43 and 5 will be, multiply 43 by 5, and the product is 215. The number will be add 215 to 3, and the sum is 218. The number is 218. The answer is 2. Question 10. After buying 6 shirts that cost $4 each, Muthu had $6.50 left. How much money did Muthu have at first? The cost of 6 shirts will be, multiply 6 by $4, and the product is $24. The amount of money Muthu had at first will be, add $24 to $6.50, and the sum is $30.50. Muthu had $30.50 at first. The answer is 1. Nan Hua Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Section B. Question 11. In 2319, which digit is in the hundreds place? In 2319, the digit 3 is in the hundreds place. Question 12. Arrange the fraction below in order. Begin with the smallest fraction. 1/6, 1/12, 1/8. The 3 fractions above have a digit 1 in the numerator. Therefore, the greatest the value in the denominator, the smallest will be the fraction. The fraction will be arranged in this order beginning with the smallest. 1/12, 1/8, 1/6. Question 13. What is the missing fraction in the equation below? 6/9 minus 1/9, and it is equal to missing number. Subtract 1/9 from 6/9, and the difference is 5/9. The missing fraction is 5/9. Question 14. Tom left his house for the library at 9 a.m. He took half an hour to reach the library. What time did he reach the library? "9 a.m. is equivalent to 9 hours. The amount of time Tom took to reach the library will be, add 9 hours, to 30 minutes, and the sum is 9 hours, and 30 minutes. 9 hours, and 30 minutes is equivalent to 9:30 a.m. Tom reached the library at 9:30 a.m. Question 15. Arrange these numbers in order. Begin with the greatest number. 3298, 2398, 3982, 2839. The greatest number in thousands place is digit 3, followed by digit 2. Comparing the hundred place, for both numbers with the digit 3 in the thousands, the greater number will be 9. The greatest number will be 3982, followed by 3298. Comparing the hundred place, for both numbers with the digit 2 in the thousands, the greater number will be 8, followed by 3. The numbers will be arranged in this order starting with the greatest. 3982, 3298, 2839, 2398. Question 16. What is the time shown on the clock below? The hour hand is pointing between 5 to 6. The minutes hand is pointing at 2, which is 10 minutes. The time shown on the clock would be 5:10 a.m. or 5:10 p.m. Question 17. What is the missing fraction in the equation below? Add missing fraction to 3/11, and the sum is 5/11. Add missing fraction to 3/11, and the sum is 5/11. Missing fraction will be subtract 3/11 from 5/11, and the difference is 2/11. The missing fraction is 2/11. Question 18. From the greatest four-digit even number using all the digits below. Use each digit once only. 3, 2, 6, and 1. To form the greatest four-digit even number, we will start the number with the greatest possible digit, and use the smallest possible even number in the ones place. The greatest digit to be used in the thousands place is 6. The next greatest digit to be used in the hundreds place is 3. The next greatest digit to be used in the tens place is 1, as 2 will be used in the ones place. The last digit to be used in the ones place will be 2. The greatest four-digit even number will be 6312. Question 19. Look at the picture below. How many fewer cups of water can a bottle fill than a teapot? Two bottles can fill 4 cups. Number of cups of water one bottle can fill will be divide 4 by 2, and the quotient is 2. The difference between number of cups a teapot and bottle can fill will be subtract 2 from 5, and the difference is 3. A bottle can fill 3 fewer cups of water than a teapot. Question 20. Study the number pattern below. What is the missing number? 3069, 3079, 3089, 3099. Missing number 3119, 3129. The difference between 3069 and 3079 will be subtract 3069 from 3079, and the difference is 10. The difference between 3079 and 3089 will be subtract 3079 from 3089, and the difference is 10. The difference between 3089 and 3099 will be subtract 3089 from 3099, and the difference is 10. Assume the difference between two numbers is 10. The missing number will be add 3099 to 10, and the sum is 3109. Let us do a cross-check on the answer. The difference between 3109 and 3119 will be b subtract 3109 from 3119, and the difference is 10. The missing number is 3109. Question 21. What is the missing digit in the box? Add 5 0. Missing number 8 2 1 2 5 6, and the sum is 6 3 2 4. In the ones place, add 8 to 6, and the sum is 14. The digit 4 will be in the ones place, and digit 1 will be carry over to the tens place. In the tens place, to get a 2 in the tens place, the sum will be 12. The missing number will be -12 from 5, and from 1, and the difference is 6. The missing number in the box is 6. Question 22. Look at the picture below. What is the mass of the present? The mass of the present will be, subtract 1,425 grams from 2,350 grams, and the difference is 925 grams. The mass of the present is 925 grams. Question 23. The product of two numbers is 744. One of the number is 6. What is the other number? The other number will be, divide 744 by 6, and the quotient is 124. The other number is 124. Question 24. A roll of ribbon is 570 cm long. Alice cuts the ribbon into equal strips of 5 cm. How many 5 cm strips of ribbon does she get? The number of 5 cm strips of ribbon will be, divide 570 by 5, and the quotient is 114. Alice gets 114 5 cm strips of ribbon. Question 25. Figure A below is made up of cuboids, and cylinders. How many cuboids made up this figure? There are 7 cuboids that made up this figure. Question 26. Khalid baked 64 tarts in the morning, and 48 tarts in the afternoon. He put all the tarts equally into 8 boxes. How many tarts were there in each box? The total number of tarts will be, add 64 to 48, and the sum is 112. The number of tarts in each box will be, divide 112 by 8, and the quotient is 14. There were 14 tarts in each box. Question 27. Look at the 4 numbers below. Which two numbers will give the greatest difference? 6,390, 542, 6,234, 508. In order to get the greatest difference between two numbers, we shall get the greatest number, less away the smallest number. The greatest number is 6,390. The smallest number is 508. The two numbers are 6,390 and 508. Question 28. 3 children measured their heights. David is shorter than Mary. Tom is taller than David. Mary is shorter than Tom. Who is the tallest among these 3 children? The tallest child is Tom. Question 29. Use a ruler to copy the given figure in the square grid provided. The copied figure is shown in red. Question 30. Ahmad collected 234 stamps. Benny collected 3 times as many stamps as Ahmad. How many stamps did they collect altogether? The number of stamps Benny collected will be, multiply 234 by 3, and the product is 702. The number of stamps collected altogether will be, add 234 to 702, and the sum is 936. They collected 936 stamps altogether. Question 31. Peter wants to buy a file and a pen. The file costs $3.50, and the pen costs $1.60. Peter needs another 50 cents. How much money does Peter have? The total cost for a file and a pen will be, add $3.50 to $1.60, and the sum is $5.10. The amount of money Peter have will be, subtract 50 cents from $5.10, and the difference is $4.60. Peter has $4.60. Question 32. There are 3 tins labeled A, B, and C, containing some sweets. Tin B has fewer sweets than tin A. Tin C has the most number of sweets. Each statement below is either true, false, or not possible to tell, from the information given. For each statement, put a tick in the correct box. A. The number of sweets in both tin A and tin B is more than the number of sweets in tin C. B. Tin B has the least number of sweets. The number of sweets in each tin is not known, so it not possible to tell if both tin A and tin B is more than the number of sweets in tin C. A. The number of sweets in both tin A and tin B is more than the number of sweets in tin C is not possible to tell. Tin B has fewer sweets than tin A, and tin C has the most number of sweets. Therefore, tin B has the least number of sweets. B. Tin B has the least number of sweets, is true. Nan Hua Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Section C. Question 33. On Saturday, there were 3,580 visitors at an exhibition. There were 1,400 fewer visitors at the exhibition on Sunday than on Saturday. How many visitors were at the exhibition on both days? The number of visitors on Sunday will be, subtract 1,400 from 3,580, and the difference is 2,180. The total number of visitors for both days will be, add 3,580 to 2,180, and the sum is 5,760. There were 5,760 visitors on Sunday. Question 34. The menu below shows the food items sold at Delicious Cake Shop. A. Mindy bought 1 cheesecake, and 2 pumpkin pies. How much did she spend altogether? B. She gave $20 to the cashier. How much change did she receive? The cost of 2 pumpkin pies will be, multiply $4.20 by 2, and the product is $8.40. The cost of 1 cheesecake, and 2 pumpkin pies will be, add $5 to $8.40, and the sum is $13.40. A. Mindy spent $13.40 altogether. The amount of change received will be, subtract $13.40 from $20, and the difference is $6.60. B. Mindy received $6.60 from the cashier. Question 35. This picture graph shows the number of toy cars collected by 4 children. Look at the picture graph below and answer questions 35A and 35B. A. Who collected 3 fewer toy cars than Dave? B. Alan wants to collect as many toy cars as Ben. How many more toy cars does he need to collect? The number of toy cars Dave collected will be, multiply 4 by 3, and the product is 12. 3 fewer toy cars than 12 will be, subtract 3 from 12, and the difference is 9. A. Colin collected 3 fewer toy cars than Dave. The number of toy cars Alan collected will be 3. The number of toy cars Ben collected will be, multiply 5 by 3, and the product is 15. The difference between the number of toy cars Alan collected, and the number of toy cars Ben collected will be, subtract 3 from 15, and the difference is 12. B. Alan needs to collect 12 more toy cars. Question 36. There are 3 packets of flour. Packet B has a mass of 6 kilograms. The total mass of packet A and B is 80 kg. The total mass of packet B and C is 38 kg. What is the total mass of packet A and C? The mass of packet A will be, subtract 6 kg from 80 kg, and the difference is 74 kg. The mass of packet C will be, subtract 6 kg from 38 kg, and the difference is 32 kg. The mass of packet A and C will be, add 74 kg to 32 kg, and the sum is 106 kg. The total mass of packet A and C is 106 kg. Question 37. Gopal had 21 pens, and some erasers. He packed all the pens and erasers equally into boxes. There were 3 pens, and 8 erasers on each box. There were no pens and erasers left. A. How many boxes did he use? B. How many erasers did he have at first? The number of boxes for the pens will be, divide 21 by 3, and the quotient is 7. A. Gopal used 7 boxes. The number of erasers will be, multiply 8 by 7, and the product is 56. B. Gopal had 56 erasers at first. If you enjoy our video, please do click on like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.